everybody, it's Miss Foot Fixer, and we have this lovely patient back. Hooray, hurrah! He had a really lovely color-looking toe. Then we removed it, and now it's swart. How long has it been since I
It was in 16th of November.
Okay, so it's a very good memory. It's been since then. So now it's January the 18th, so it's been a couple of months. And it doesn't look that great, does it? But it's magic. I will change it. I will transform it. So what I'm going to do is just going to peel this back. Hopefully it will come off very easily. And this is just dead tissue.
Oh,
like that.
it's going to hurt for some reason.
And it shouldn't hurt too much.
No,
it might
no.
hurt a little bit, but it shouldn't hurt too much. And you've got dry blood there, so pop that off. And you know, like a scab, it just forms. This is going to be a bit pulley, like that. Comes up. Just like that. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Like this. Like this. And what I do now, I'm going to clean it with my beautiful drill piece. Nice zoom into the toe. Just gonna clean it. This might be a little bit uncomfortable. Okay?
So weird.
Weird. Like the nail growth that you felt.
Yeah.
But it's a clean looking nail. It looks amazing. I'm really happy with how the nail is going out. Voila! Magic, like I said. 3 minutes of magic by Marion.
Wow.
So new nail there, we just needed to grow out. Okay,
Yes.
so very happy with that. Fantastic. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for letting me film.